is FrizzyBri.
Hey guys, you're watching FrizzyBri, and this video is about how I achieved this golden blonde hair color. Because I was starting off with my natural dark brown hair color, I used some coconut oil to protect both my hair and my scalp. The products I used to lift my hair were the L'Oreal Quick Blue Extra Strength Bleach Powder and a 40 volume developer. I made sure to use a glass bowl and plastic utensils throughout the entirety of the bleaching process. And please don't forget your gloves if you don't want chemical burns. Side note, I am not a hair professional, so this entire experience was completely experimental for me. But my mother, who was a licensed cosmetologist, advised me after I finished bleaching my hair that 30 volume is a lot better for the scalp. So ultimately, you probably shouldn't use a 40 volume developer to mix your bleach like I did. I'm not sure if it's evident in the video, but I was flicking bleach everywhere because I made my concoction a little bit too runny. So you want to aim for a consistency that's a little thicker, almost like a pudding, for the easiest application process. Also, shout out to my girl Claudia for coming over and capturing this entire bleaching process on film for her upcoming magazine. After covering my entire head in bleach, I covered it with a plastic cap and a towel and let it sit for about 45 minutes. This is what my hair looked like immediately after rinsing out the bleach. Before toning my hair, I went ahead and used this Shimmer Lights purple shampoo just to get rid of some of the brassy tones. I mixed the Wella T18 toner with the 30 volume developer to tone my hair. The directions on the box of toner called for 1 part toner to 2 parts developer, so that's exactly what I did. Using just half the bottle of toner was enough to finish my entire head. I left the toner on for exactly 30 minutes, and this is how it looked once I rinsed it out. I shampooed once again using the Shimmer Lights shampoo, and this is the final result. If I wanted to get my hair to an icier blonde level, I would bleach my hair again after like a week of letting my hair and my scalp rest. However, I did not want to play with any more bleach, and I'm also planning to use this as a base for more fantasy colors anyway. Also, I know my edges look see-through. That's just the edge control that I use for whatever reason, but they are still intact. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, concerns in the comments, and I hope to see you guys again next time.